parts, all kinds of junk.
Alright, I know a lot of you don't like updates, but whatever. It is, what is it, almost mid-March now. We still got over 2.5 feet of snow, still cold out. Melted a little bit last week, but got cold again and threatened to snow again. But so this thing has been awesome this year. It's had to plow a ton of snow this year, most snow we've had in over 20 years here. So I was taking up sledding, snowmobiling, bought a Polaris. Some of you probably know. If you go over to my Outdoor Rob channel, you can see some sledding videos from this year. Yeah, I had a little oopsie. Kind of messed up a bit. Right along the side of the road, and I drifted over and I hit a snowbank and flipped over. So, short story, I broke 5 ribs in 8 places and I got a partially collapsed lung. So that put me out for, that was 5 weeks ago. And it's still sore. I can't lift stuff, so I can't do much. This thing has saved me because I can drive with one hand. This side is, I can't push or pull with the machine. So this thing has saved me. I haven't been able to shovel, but I can push snow around with this anyways. That was after I took about 2 weeks before I could even get up out of bed. It's been very painful, but I'm thinking at least another, well, broken bones are supposed to heal in 6 weeks, but these were pretty mashed up, so I'm thinking that it's going to be over 6 weeks, probably more like 2 months before I can start getting exercising again and doing stuff. The snow is going to be here for another 2 months anyways. So I've run out of ATV videos, and it's the way it goes. I didn't get enough done last year. It was a crappy year. So this is where I'm at. So if you don't see any videos posted for a while, there will be some once we get some spring here. We can get out, but until then, hang around, check out the channel, make sure new videos have been posted, and you can check out all the old ones. Check out all my old stuff from the XMR. I got over 100 videos on this thing. So it is what it is. The line is getting a little bit frayed. It broke once this year, which is actually pretty good considering the amount that I used it. The pulleys helped it a lot. So I'm going to be changing out that line. Maybe I can do a video on that once I'm able to lay down on my side. I got to sleep pretty much sitting up, and I can't sleep like that, so not getting much sleep lately. I got to change some oils out, so maybe I'll do a couple videos like that. I know they're not the greatest, but like I said, it is what it is. So thanks for supporting me, and thanks for tuning in, and hopefully we'll get back to her real soon.